Okay, I'm just gonna get right to the point. I am reviewing Dreo's Tower Fan, and it is so incredible. There, even if you have the most amazing air conditioning, sometimes there's certain rooms that need just a little extra bump, like my son's gym. This guy does the job. And last summer, we had a minute where we didn't have air conditioning. I bought every fan under the sun. I'm talking fans that were $300 to, cheaper fans. None of them were as good as this guy, and it's less than $100, people. So let me show you how it works. They even give you this amazing remote. If you're lazy like me, and you're sitting and you're like, oh my God, I'm kind of hot. All you do is turn it on, people, and it has 12 different levels. This is the highest level, level 12. It also rotates, so then it gets the whole entire room. But if you're sleeping and you're like, oh my God, I just want it on my face, or whatever gets hot at night, you can just control it. And there's also a timer. So if you are lazy and you're like, oh my God, I forgot to turn it off, you can just program what time you want. It is so cold, people. Just went here and it's so cold, it's fantastic. There are so many fans, unless you have it with like maybe the window open and air is coming in. It is gross hot air that's blowing on you. This is like cold air already, and if you want it really cold, in their little direction book, they said you could put a bucket of ice down below and it'll really kick it up. So if you don't have a fan, or if it's really hot outside, genius. It is so easy to install. So it comes exactly like this. You just have to put these two little bottom portions on, plug it in, and it is ready to go. It's that easy. So I'm gonna put it, look how quiet. This is level 6, and it is so quiet, and it's still so cold. I love it. Let me put it back on 12. And also there are so many different modes you can choose from, so you can choose which mode you like best. There's everything from regular mode to sleep mode. You gotta check it out. So check out the link below, purchase it. It's under $100, people. And I purchased literally fans during the summer that was like $400. This bad boy is 10 times better than the fans that I purchased this summer. So love, love, love. Dreo, you did such a good job. It's like my leg is freezing right now. It's so good, people.